Hello friends, welcome to the AMA Art and Craft. Today we are making this beautiful puppet card. Let's start. For this card we need A4 size color paper, wool, fevistick, tape, rounder, googly eye, ice cream stick, scissor, pencil eraser and sketch pen. Let's start. First we will make body. For body we will take one A4 size paper and divide and fold it like this. For egg shape, draw two slant line upper side and draw U shape down side. Then cut it carefully. Now we will make these feathers. For feathers we will take different color of paper. You can take any color combinations. Now take this part which we had cut earlier and trace it on paper. We have to trace only U, down part, U. This is for our guideline, and then we will draw feathers, U, 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 U. We need only this much part. We will cut this part in two different color paper, same part. Now we are making this third feather. For this part we will take third color of paper and trace it upper part. And again we will draw this U, 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 U. Now this feather effect, take one scissor and take here this part and pull like this. Now we will stick in this order. We will apply fevistick over here and stick it like this. Again apply fevistick over here and stick it like this. Now for eyes, take one rectangle paper and fold it like this and draw ellipse. And cut it. Now for beak, take yellow color paper and first draw triangle like this and draw V shape in center. Then cut it. First we will stick our eye. Then nose. Now we will stick googly eyes. For legs, draw U, 2U shape and cut it. For upper feather, we will take two color of paper and we will draw drop shape, slant line, curve, slant line. Now we will stick this part. Apply Fevistick on back side. And apply Fevistick over here and stick it like this. For wings, take three different color of papers and draw leaf shape. In first paper, draw big size. In second, small size. And third paper, small. Then cut it. Now we have both pair of wings. For this effect, we will do snipping like this. Now take scissor and pull your paper like this. Do gently, otherwise your paper will tear. Now take sharpen thing and do hole. Do 2 holes. Now do 1 hole in your body part. Mark it with pencil and then do hole. Now take thread. You can take any color of thread and pull it like this and tie a knot on upper side and back side. Tie a knot like this. Twist and pull your thread. 2 to 3 knots. Same way tie back side. Now take another thread and pass it on another hole. Now take another thread and tie in center. Now take ice cream stick and stick it over here with cello tape. Now your parrot is done. Isn't it beautiful? You can make different types of puppet card like this. I hope you liked it.